Woohoo! Getting some wind. Right. Hi, you coming up? You can do it. How about you? You know how to climb a ladder. You could climb the step ladder. Sweet pea. Yui. Huh? A roll. I'm gonna open these shutters. Looks like we're getting ready to have a little windstorm. Let's see. Got it halfway open. Hi. Hi, you two cuties. Come on up. You can do it. That's a girl. Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? That's kind of the backwards way to do it. Why don't you go over the top? Why don't you? You know, there's more logical ways of doing things. Huh? I don't think you can squeeze your fat butt through there. Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. Come on up. You can do it too. Dipper. Dipper. Okay. Oh, you're gonna go that way. You're gonna go to the wheelchair? Oh, look. So brave. All right. I don't think you've ever been up here before. Oh. All right. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, look who else is here. Hi. Now, I know you know how to climb a ladder. You know how to do it. Bold and brash. Just button right in. The big orange Batinsky. Button in like you know how to do it. Do. Down. All right, who's gonna be the first one that gets up here? Huh? A woo. A woo. Oh, the ginger-haired stepchild is the one. Yeah. I know there's a lot of stuff up here, but that's what the table is for. That's why we bought it. Holy cow, look at all this. We got a windstorm coming through today. I think it's supposed to rain again. Dun. Boo! You won! You won that one. I'm gonna get some plants. Yes, I know. You probably gonna tear them apart too. Huh? Because I know how you are. I know how you are. Ba-da-da.